there are the other thing we can learn from the China and USA. How can we solve our garbage problem? As you will see that that in those country there are the program like they cherish the people and they clap the people, like they have the policy if someone is doing good to dump the garbage and solve the garbage problem, then he will get the prize for that. They have the scheme that they scan the people faces and there are the QR code. You can complain if there is a garbage on the road or at other places. So at the technology level they are doing good, and they are using the high number of the machine and the scientific tool, engineering tool, to solve the garbage problem, because by using the machine and the other type of the engineering tools, you will find that you will need the few and the less number of the man power to solve this problem, because if 10 men are doing something, then by machine it will be done in the fewer time and the cost will be also less, so you can dump and solve the more garbage in the fewer time. So these countries are using that thing. So I think in India we lack in this thing, and you will see that the people who are doing the work, I mean the people who are doing the safai karmachari work, they don't have the enough knowledge how they can use the technology. So मुझे लगता है कि इंडिया में हम इन सब चीज़ों में पीछे हैं। सो हमें ऐसी पॉलिसी बनानी चाहिए कि हम पहले तो मशीनों का यूज़ करेंगे, और हमारे पास अवेयरनेस होनी चाहिए कि हम किस प्रकार से जो कि रिसाइकलेबल गार्बेज है, पेरिसेबल गार्बेज है और अदर टाइप ऑफ जो भी गार्बेज होते हैं, ई वेस्ट भी आजकल ज़्यादा बढ़ रहे हैं, तो कैटेगरी बना के हम किस प्रकार से किस प्रकार के गार्बेज प्रॉब्लम को कैसे सॉल्व कर सकते हैं। तो ये सब चीज़ों की हमारे पास सुविधा होनी चाहिए।